this. This was all spider veins, like all filled up. In fact, see that little bit that's left right there? All of that was really dark purple all the way down. And it only just appeared about maybe 10 months or so ago that I noticed I was doing yoga. And I thought, oh no, like this is the leg I injured at another time. But I've been doing these power strips, and this particular night, and I just read the testimonials that a woman that was a dancer said that her veins were getting better in her legs, and I never even crossed my mind it might happen for me, but I felt it kind of all tingly, like really kind of cool. And lo and behold, I mean, I didn't realize this is really good. Look at, see, those blood vessels are filled up. But in the power strips, there's 2 ingredients, germanium and silurians alone, that provide the blood vessels with more nitric oxide, the ability to produce more nitric oxide, which means blood vessels have to get better. It's a given. And anything with blood vessels gets better.